Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we want to do a little practice on quadratic equation by proving the quadratic formula. If you have not subscribed, please do. Now, straight to the point. The first step is rewriting the quadratic expression. So we take c this way, becomes negative. So we have ax squared plus bx is equal to minus c. Remember, c is a constant. Now we divide through by the coefficient of x squared. So if we do this will cancel out. We now have x squared plus bx over a is equal to minus c over a. So at this point, we are going to add half the coefficient of x to both sides. That is something like this, b over 2a all squared. That is half the coefficient of this. So it's going to be x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a all squared equals to b over 2a all squared minus c over a. So at this point, we expand the brackets. So this is x squared plus bx over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Because if you take this inside, this becomes squared. 2 becomes 4 and we have squared here. Same thing here. B squared over 4a squared minus c over a. So now, normally in factorization, you should multiply this with this. That's the first and the last term. So if we do that, on the rough side, let's do that here. If we do this on the rough side, we'll be having b squared x squared over 4a squared. So what are the factors that when you multiply you get this, and when you add you get this, the middle term? So let's assume bx over 2a plus bx over 2a can do it. So we are picking one of the two a's as our LCM. So this becomes bx plus bx, which is equal to 2bx all over 2a. So 2 cancels out. This is going to give us bx over 2a. Sorry, over a. So which is our middle term here, this. So that's what it's going to give to us. So if this is the case, it means this is a factor. So we are going to replace this in this equation for bx over a. So doing that on this side, we now have x squared plus, instead of bx over a, we put bx over 2a plus bx over 2a plus b squared over 4a squared equals b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. So at this point we factor out, okay? So if we do this, it's going to be easy for us to factor out since x is evenly distributed. Now we check. This can give us, we are shifting out one of the x. So this is going to be x into x plus b over 2a. Okay? Because there is x here and there is x squared here. So if we shift out one, we get this. Plus, here now, we have bx over 2a. there is 2 b's here, and there is 2 in 2 places here, which makes this 4, and there is a also in 2 places. So we shift out 1 each. So this is going to be b over 2a into, we leave the x there because x is not common anywhere here. So this is going to be left with x plus b over 2a. If you multiply this with this, you get this. This gives us this, and return to this place. Okay? So this is going to give us, now let's do the LCM for this at once. This is 4a squared. So if we divide 4a squared by 4a squared is 1 times this is still b squared. Minus, if we divide this by this, one of the a's is going to cancel, so we are left with 4ac. So meanwhile, in quadratic equation, recall that if the brackets are the same, which they are supposed to be, you pick 1. So we are picking one bracket, x plus b over 2a, and the digits outside to give us x, this x plus b over 2a is equal to b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Wow. So at this point, what do? These brackets are the same. So according to laws of algebra, we can say that x plus b over 2a all squared represents this. It's the same thing. So this is equal to b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Now what do? We take roots of both sides. We want to clear off this bracket. So taking roots simply means doing this. So this is going to cancel this. So we are left with x plus b over 2a equals, this root cancels 2 here to give us 2. Cancels this square to give us a. So we are left with the root upward like this to be. Okay? So at this point we're already close to our answer. But then I forgot, when introducing this root, it was supposed to be plus or minus. Okay? So this is plus or minus. So at this point, we just take this to this side. So x is equal to, if you move this to this side, that's this value. If you move it to the other side, crossing the equality sign, it becomes negative. So this is going to give us minus b over 2a plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. They are fractions and the denominators are the same, so we pick one. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is our proof. If you have a different idea or a different opinion on how to prove this, you can drop your comment on the comment section. See you in my next video, and please subscribe.